Come and stay tonight, and I think I might settle. And I thank God every day for the girl He sent my way. But I know the things He can take away. And I hold you every night. That's a feeling I wanna get used to. There's no man as terrified as the man who stands to lose you. I want you right here. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay.
And the video start filming. Please call the fucking officers on town. This is nice. I like this. I like this place. I do like this place. I like this place. I like this place. I like this place. I like this place. Oh, shut up. Did I just tell you to shut up? No, I did not. I don't speak that way. I do not speak like that. I do not speak like that. No. I'm gonna cut this out, baby. I'm gonna cut that. Stop. May I cut that out, man? I cannot believe down here is becoming. Look at this hotel. This is massive. Pretty. Cafe. Downtown Kingston. Underwater. You get breakfast in this, you don't get dinner though. But they have a restaurant on the building to get the authentic like steamed fish and all those things. You could just walk right across the street, right there, and you get everything you need. Right across the street, right there, and you will find all steamed fish, fried fish, bammy, festival, right by the water. I'm talking about, this look like less than 10 minutes away from the airport, from the normal Manly International Airport. Yeah. Ready?